Marie Curie was a Polish-born French physicist famous for her work on radioactivity and twice a winner of the Nobel Prize. She was born on November 7, 1867 in Poland. Her parents were both teachers and she was the youngest out of the 5 children in her family. She went to college in Paris and she majored in physics, chemistry, and math. In 1893, she earned her master's degree in physics and later she earned her mathematics degree. In 1894, Marie met a French physicist named Pierre Curie. Working together as successful partners led to a romantic relationship. They got married on July 26, 1895. Early in marriage, Pierre died from a road accident in 1906 and Marie had to raise her 2 kids, Irene and Eve, alone. Marie Curie has had many contributions to both chemistry and physics, and she received 2 Nobel Prizes for her accomplishments, as well as an element named after her. She died in 1934 from her prolonged exposure to radiation. She left a major legacy on the science world and is the most famous female scientist to this day.
Marie Curie's vast findings include the radioactive elements of polonium and radium. She also came up with the term radiation herself and revealed more radioactive elements and their properties. Using the work from 2 previous scientists' findings on rays, Marie set out to study uranium and find the unknown ray that could travel through flesh. Using the electrometer created by Pierre and his brother in the picture, Marie measured the extremely low electrical currents of uranium and found that it made air conduct electricity better. After numerous experiments with the electrometer, Marie formed a legendary hypothesis. The emission of rays by uranium compounds could be an atomic property of the element uranium, something built into the very structure of its atoms. Marie thoroughly tested all other elements at this time to see if any others could also make air conduct electricity better like uranium did. The only other element she found that shared this quality was thorium. She then invented the word radioactivity to describe this behavior that uranium and thorium exhibited. Her research had also revealed that 2 uranium ores, pitchblende and chalcolite, were much more radioactive than pure uranium itself. She and Pierre then realized that unknown elements that were more radioactive than uranium had to be present. They spent the next years trying to isolate these 2 new elements from bismuth and barium where they were mixed. These 2 unknown elements ended up being polonium and radium. Polonium was named after Marie's birthplace, Poland, and radium was named after the Latin word ray. During World War I, Marie realized X-rays could help save soldiers' lives by allowing doctors to see shrapnel bullets and broken bones. She convinced the government to allow her to set up France's first military radiology centers and also make radiology vehicles, which got dubbed Petite Curies by French soldiers. Without her, we would also not have radiation therapy to help heal people with cancer. Marie Curie is an example all over the world for women and also still leaves a major impact on science to this day.